Let's solve this problem together. We have 150x plus 190y to be equal to 1760. So we want to find x and y. So I have 150 plus 190 is equal to 1760. From here, 10 is common here. We factor out 10 to have 15x plus 19y to be equal to 1760. So let's divide both sides by 10. We have 15x plus 19y to be equal to 176. So let's make x the subject of the formula. To have 15x is equal to 176. This crossing over becomes minus 19y. So from here, let's divide both sides by 15. We have that x is equal to 176 minus 19y all over 15. So we have x to be equal to our 176. We can split it into 2 to have 150 plus 26, and our 19 is the same as minus 15y minus 4y. We have all over 15. So we have that x is equal to our 150 minus 15y is over 15, plus we have 26 minus 4y, and this is all over 15. So we have x to be equal to, from this first fraction we can factor out 15 to have 150 divided by 15. We have 10 minus y all over 15, plus we have 26 minus 4y all over 15. So our x is equal to, this cancel this, we have 10 minus y plus 26 minus 4y all over 15. So let's m be equal to this fraction, which is 26 minus 4y over 15. So from here, when we multiply both sides, by 15, we have 15m is equal to 26 minus 4y times 15 over 15. So our 15m is equal to 26 minus 4y. So when we make 4y the subject of the formula, we have that 4y is equal to 26 minus 15m. So when we divide both sides by 4, we have that y is equal to 26 minus 15m all over 4. So this will give us y to be equal to, when we split our 26, we have 24 plus 2. And we can split this negative 15 to have minus 12m minus 3m all over 4. So from here, we have that y is equal to 24 minus 12m over 4. And we have plus 2 minus 3m over 4. We have y to be equal to, when we factor out 4 from here, we have 6 minus 3m all over 4. And we have plus 2 minus 3m all over 4. So our y is equal to, this cancel out this, we have 6 minus 3m plus we have 2 minus 3m over 4. So let n be equal to this fraction here, which is 2 minus 3m over 4. So from here we can multiply both sides. To have 4n is equal to 2 minus 3m over 4 times 4. So we have that 4n is equal to 2 minus 3m. So when we make m the subject, we have 3m is equal to 2 minus 4n. So let's divide by 3. This will give us m to be equal to 2 minus 4n. So we have that m is equal to, we have 2, and we have our minus 4 is the same as 3n minus n. So we have all over 3. So our m is equal to, we have minus 3n over 3. And we have plus 2 minus n over 3. So we have m to be equal to minus n plus 2 minus n over 3. So we'll name this fraction p, 2 minus n over 3. So when we multiply by 3, we have 3p is equal to 2 minus n over 3 times 3. So we have 3p is equal to 2 minus n. We have 3p is equal to 2 minus n. So our n is equal to 2 minus 3p. So when p is equal to 0, we have that n is equal to 2 minus 3 times 0. And our n is equal to 2 minus 0. So our n is equal to 2. So we've gotten the value of n. Now let's recall that our m is equal to 2 minus 4n over 3. So when n is equal to 2, we have that m is equal to 2 minus 4 times 2 all over 3. So m is equal to, we have 2 minus 8 over 3. And this is equal to minus 6 over 3. So our m is equal to minus 2. So we've gotten the value of m. Now let's recall our y is equal to 26 minus 15m over 4. So when m is minus 2, we have that y is equal to, we have 26 minus 15 times minus 2 all over 4. So y is equal to, we have 26 plus 30 over 4. And y is equal to, we have 56 over 4, which is equal to 14. So our y is equal to 14. So let's recall our x. Our x is equal to 176 minus 17y all over 15. So when y is 14, we have x to be equal to 176 minus 17 times 14 all over 15. We have x to be equal to 176. We have 19 times 14, which is 266 all over 15. And we have x to be equal to, subtracting this, we have minus 90 over 15. And this is equal to minus 6. So our x, comma y is equal to minus 6 and 14. So let's verify. We have 150x plus 190y to be equal to 1760. Our x is minus 6, so we have 150 times minus 6 plus we have 190. Our y is 14 is equal to 1760. So multiplying through, we have negative 900 plus multiplying this, we have 2660 is equal to 1760. So when we add up this, we have 1760 is equal to 1760, and the left hand side equals the right hand side. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.